Hello viewers, if no views show on your YouTube search video, let's see how to fix YouTube views disappeared problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on YouTube app. Click on I button. Scroll down. Click on YouTube storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from YouTube app. Now go back. Now tap on force stop from the bottom. Now force stop your YouTube app. Now follow the most important part. Open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search YouTube app. Go to YouTube app. From here, update your YouTube app. After complete the update process, open your YouTube app. Now see, no views showing on YouTube problem successfully solved.